Have you ever been woken up in the middle of the night by the sound of snoring? Or have you ever been told by a partner that you snore? Snoring is a common problem that affects millions of people. But what exactly is snoring and what causes it? Snoring is a noise made by the vibration of the soft tissues in the upper airway, typically during sleep. A variety of factors can contribute to snoring, and in some instances, it may be indicative of a more serious condition. These are the potential causes of snoring. 1. Anatomical issues. Certain physical characteristics such as deviated septum, large tonsils or a small jaw can narrow the airway and make it more likely for the soft tissues to vibrate and cause snoring. 2. Obesity. Excess weight can cause the soft tissues in the throat to become enlarged, which can narrow the airway and make it more likely for snoring to occur. 3. Alcohol consumption. Alcohol relaxes the muscles in the throat, which can cause the airway to become narrowed and make snoring more likely. 4. Medications. Certain medications, such as sedatives, can relax the muscles in the throat and make snoring more likely. 5. Age. As we age, the muscles in the throat can become less toned, which makes snoring more likely. 6. Sleep position. Sleeping on your back can cause your tongue and soft palate to collapse to the back of your throat, which can narrow the airway and cause snoring. It's important to note that snoring can also be a symptom of a more serious condition, such as sleep apnea. It is good to consult with a doctor if you suspect this might be the case, as untreated sleep apnea can lead to more severe health issues. Fun facts. Snoring can be hereditary. Studies have shown that snoring can run in families, and if one of your parents snores, it increases your chances of snoring as well. Not only humans snore, some animals such as dogs, cats, lions and bears can snore too, as a result of their relaxed muscles during sleep. Snoring can be a sign of fitness. Athletic people are less likely to snore because their muscles, including those in the throat, are toned. Pineapple plants. Many stores have labelled the pineapple plant as the anti-snoring plant due to a press release from a British supermarket chain. This supermarket chain claims that a study by NASA showed that the pineapple plant provides better and especially quieter sleep. However, upon further investigation, it was discovered that the NASA study does not specifically mention the pineapple plant or its effects on snoring. NASA has looked into the air purifying effects of a number of indoor plants, but the pineapple plant was not studied by them. No other research has been found that confirms the claim that the pineapple plant can help with snoring. It is true that the pineapple plant emits oxygen in a different way than most other plants. However, it only concerns a small amount of oxygen. While the pineapple plant may not be a miracle cure for snoring, it can help to purify the air, add a tropical touch to your space, and provide oxygen at night. There are several things you can do to prevent snoring. 1. Lose weight. Losing weight can help to reduce the amount of fat in the throat, which can narrow the airway and make snoring more likely. 2. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol can relax the muscles in the throat, which can cause the airway to become narrowed and make snoring more likely. 3. Sleeping on your side to keep the airway open will prevent snoring. 4. Avoid using sedative and sleeping pills. These pills can relax the muscles in your throat and make snoring more likely. 5. Keep your nasal passages clear. If you have nasal congestion or allergies, keep your nasal passages clear by using saline nasal sprays or a humidifier in your bedroom. 6. Snoring can be reduced by singing. Singing can help you tone the muscles in your throat and reduce the symphony of snores. If you have some helpful tips to prevent snoring, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content like this.